Hello, my name is Joseph, and I'm the founder and developer of NodeBOM. And today we're going to go over how to create a bill of materials for Siemens NX. Now, to start off, we're going to open up an assembly here. So I've got this nice bike right here, and there's two methods that NX will allow you to basically export a BOM and have a parts list. So for the first method, we're going to start off in the assembly navigator. So with this little Tetris object right here. So we're going to expand this menu right here, the sidebar. That's going to show us quite a few columns. And you can also expand this right here, so it shows read-only, modified, whatnot. And if you right-click on this column right here, frankly any of them, you can see that there's a column section right here, and you can add other columns that describe your parts. So if you currently have mass shown for your parts, it'll show up right here. So you can freely customize which ones you want shown right here. Now once you have your parts list set up, your bill of materials, once you right click this column again, you're going to see a export to spreadsheet right here. And once you hit that, it'll export freely to your Excel app if you have that downloaded. Now the second method is going to involve using a drawing. So I'm going to actually minimize this real quick. So I'm going to open a new drawing. You could either type in drawing over here, or draft, excuse me. Or you could do Control Shift D. That's going to create us a new sheet. I'm going to hit OK. I don't need this for now. I'll freely place my part right here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than that. Let's say 110. Yeah. Okay. So now that that's done, so I'm going to need a parts list, and what would you know? Parts list button is right here. So in the home section right at the top, you're going to see a parts button right here. So if we click that, it's going to show us this right here. So we're going to be able to freely place this down. So maybe I want all sub-assemblies to show, and how we want to organize it. So maybe I want the top level only. If I had balloons for every part, it would show it as well. But I also need my parts list to be a little bit smaller. So let me make this maybe 0.1 gap factor. Let's see what that does. No, maybe 0.09. Okay, that honestly fits just fine. The lettering might be a little bit small for this sheet, but it works out just fine. So with that out of the way, what we're going to do next is we're going to bring our cursor and we're going to right click this cell right here. And we're going to see this export button. And you're going to see this export table pop up right here. So I don't really care about the location or format for now. It depends on what you need, right? So I'm going to hit OK. It's going to pop up this information tab. And when I hit save as, it's going to ask, hey, do I want to save as HTML document or do I want to save it as text? Now that is the limiting part about this, is that you don't have the spreadsheets integration as you'd like, right? So I don't need either of those, but that's gonna do it. If you feel like perhaps the process is a little bit too limiting in your export, like we saw with method 2, take a look on over at NodeBOM.com. We have ways to export to CSV, spreadsheets. We're working on Google Sheets integration right now. Importing and exporting projects. Suppose that. So if you want to take a look at it, please feel free to do so. Other than that, Thank you. Bye bye.